Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, November 6, 2019. Please rise, put your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. And celebrating a birthday today, we have 4th grader Joel Cordero Barrientos. Happy birthday. And Paola Esparza Reyes in 5th grade. Happy birthday. I hope you guys both have a great day. Remember to come down and get your birthday present from my office. Remember, today Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Today is a Wednesday. We're in the middle of the week. You're about to go into the end of the week. So make sure that you do not give up today. Push yourselves. Keep yourself and the bathroom clean and germ-free. I'm adding this one again just because a lot of us have been getting really sick. So make sure that you're always washing your hands. All right, word of the day. This word is anticipate. Regard something as probable or likely. So some sentences with the word anticipate. The organizers of the festival anticipate a large crowd. I did not anticipate having to pay for your ticket too. And he eagerly anticipated her arrival. Sometimes if you show up a few seconds late to lunch, you anticipate the line will be very long. All right, some announcements for today. Today is Wednesday. That means you're going to go to your third block for your academic block and take a few minutes to look at your uniform. And if you do not have your ID, make sure that you let your homeroom teacher know. He or she could shoot me an email or Mr. Brown an email, and then we need you to bring in that $5 as soon as possible so that we can actually get it ordered for you. All right, some announcements for today. So today, 3rd grade, good luck on your math exam. You guys are going to crush it. And then 2nd and 4th grade math, you guys are on deck for tomorrow. We have a lot of reading tests on Friday and one 1st grade math test. So make sure you're paying extra close attention in class so you're ready for those exams. Also, today is the official first day of our food drive. Remember, you can bring things like mac and cheese, hamburger helper, canned tuna, canned chicken, peanut butter, and we're going to avoid the frozen things just because we don't have a lot of place to store them. But canned vegetables, dry pasta, things for baking, condiments, so that's like ketchup, mustard, and things like canned beans. Yesterday, we were getting closer to meeting our ADA, but we still had 22 scholars out on Tuesday, which means we only hit 96% yesterday. We missed our goal. Just remember, this week is a pretty beautiful week. Tomorrow, it's actually what the chance of rain went down. So please just remember that as long as you are washing your hands and keeping yourself healthy, that you should be in school every single day. All right, and remember, another part of being at school every day is the attendance challenge, which is you have to be here all days of the week, and then on Friday, you're entered in our contest to win a prize that you get to pick out yourself. So you can anticipate Friday's attendance raffle. All right, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Ready, go. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Remember to make it a wonderful Wednesday, and remember that choice is all yours. Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we really, really love you, and we always, always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call parents of students that are out and message the ADA GroupMe. Have a great day.